of primary chancre in syphilis may include each of the following except. So we need to identify which is that finding which is not seen in primary chancre in syphilis. So let us see the options. Sites usually affected are penis or vulva. This is absolutely right. Yes. Why? Because this is a sexually transmitted disease. The genitals are going to be affected. And option B says extragenital lesions occur over lips and fingers. Over lips and fingers, and this statement is also true. Yes, primary syphilis can affect the extragenital areas like lips and fingers. I will tell you what is the reason for this. Okay. So let us see option C first. Chancre is painless indurated ulcer with a button-like feeling. This is also absolutely right statement. And option D says regional lymph nodes may become palpable as painful rubbery swelling. Now, this entire option D was right except for this painful part. No, please remember this very important point regarding syphilis. So syphilis, instead of syphilis you remember it as SyphiLESS. Why is it so? Because this is a genital ulcer disease in which both ulcer as well as lymph node, are going to be absolutely painless. So that's the reason why outright option D is wrong statement. So now you might be wondering, what is this option B? That is, how can lesions be present over lips and fingers? So just use your imagination, and I hope you can understand that the penis or vulva are the genital sites for the lesion, that is ulcers in syphilis, primary syphilis. So if you remember, you have read in your forensic medicine and also in your dermatology that there are not just penovaginal routes of sex, but also apart from that we have Cunnilingus and Fellatio. Or we can say Fellatio. And also we have what is called as H job. I hope you all know what this is. So when the primary syphilitic chancre lesions which are teeming with Treponema pallidum are touched either with lips or with the fingers, then there is every possibility that if at all there are any mucosal breaks, the Treponema pallidum can infect those sites and lesions can also develop in the form of ulcerations over the extragenital areas. So I hope now it is very much clear for all of you. If this video was helpful, please do hit that like button for me to get motivated to make these kind of videos on a daily basis. And this is tomorrow's MCQ. If you know the answer for this question, comment 423 followed by your answer.